Hey, foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're making baked lemon pepper chicken. So, let's get started. First, we'll need boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Season them generously with freshly ground black pepper and a pinch of salt. Now, it's time to add a burst of citrusy flavor. Squeeze fresh lemon juice over the chicken, making sure to coat each piece. Next, we'll enhance the flavor with a drizzle of olive oil. This will help keep the chicken moist while baking. Now, gently massage the chicken to ensure the seasoning is evenly distributed. Once the chicken is well coated, place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Now, pop the chicken into the oven and let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. While the chicken is baking, you can prepare your favorite side dish to go along with it. I love serving this lemon pepper chicken with roasted veggies or a fresh salad. And there you have it, a flavorful and easy baked lemon pepper chicken that's so simple to make. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my delicious recipes.